Good day, everyone. I am Carl Cagalpin, and today we are going to discuss computer as the teacher's tool, and also the constructivist and social constructivist paradigms in learning. In constructivism, it was introduced by Piaget during 1981 and Brunner in 1990. They gave stress to knowledge discovery of new meaning, concepts, principles in learning process. Students are also asked to apply discovered knowledge to new situations, a process for making their knowledge applicable to real-life situations. Knowledge is constructed by individual learning. While in social constructivism, knowledge is socially constructed. Social constructivism is an effort to show that the construction of knowledge is governed by social, historical, and cultural context. According to Vygotsky, learning is affected by social influences, while Dewey sees language as a medium for social coordination and adaptation. These are the learning framework between the constructivism and social constructivism of knowledge. The computer's capabilities. Without the computer, today's learners may be still assuming the tedious task of low-level information gathering, building, and knowledge packaging. But this is not so, since the modern computer can help teachers and students to focus on more high cognitive tasks. Based on the two learning theories, which is the social constructivism and constructivism theory, the teacher can employ the computer as an information tool, a communication tool, a co-constructive tool, constructive tool, and a situating tool. Computer as an informative tool. The computer can provide vast amounts of information in various forms such as text, graphics, sounds, and video. Even multimedia encyclopedias are today available in the Internet. Computer as a communication tool. Given the fact that the Internet can serve as a channel for global communication, the computer can very well be the key tool for video teleconferencing sessions. The next one is the constructive tool. The computer itself can be used for manipulating information, visualizing one's understanding, and building new knowledge. Computer as co-constructive tool. Students can use co-constructive tools to work cooperatively and construct a shared understanding of new knowledge. One way of co-construction is the use of electronic whiteboard, where the students may post notices to shared document or whiteboard. Students may also co-edit the same document from their books. Computer as situating tool. By means of virtual reality extension systems, the computer can create 3D images on display to give the user the feeling that are situated in the virtual environment. A flight simulation program is an example of situating tool which places the user in a simulated flying environment. These are the uses of computer as a teacher's tool. I hope that everyone learned a lot from our discussion. Thank you.